Hey guys, today we're making something a little different than usual. This is a savory chicken bread recipe and it's so yummy. A lot of you guys have been asking for more savory recipes, so here it is. I will try and post more of these recipes in the future, so make sure you subscribe to get notified when I post a new video. Also, the full recipe will be in the description box below as always. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Okay, so we're going to start off by making a dough. And for that, you're going to add in your flour to a bowl. And once your flour is in the bowl, then you can add in your salt, sugar, and your yeast. This recipe uses a whole packet of yeast. Once all of those ingredients are in your bowl, then just give that a quick mix. Once it's mixed, then you can add in your milk powder and just give that a mix. Lastly, add in your baking powder and finally give it one last mix, and that's all for the dry ingredients. For the wet ingredients, you're going to add in your oil, as well as your egg, and then you want to put it into your mixer and then just mix this until it's combined. If you don't have a stand mixer, you can definitely make this dough by hand. Once that's slightly mixed, then you can start adding in your warm water until it forms a nice soft dough. Make sure you mix it for about 5 to 10 minutes until it's super smooth like this. Then you can shape it into a ball and then oil your bowl so that it doesn't stick. And then just oil the top of the dough ball as well and then just place it into your bowl. Then you want to cover it with some plastic wrap and cover it with a cloth and then let this rise for about an hour in a really warm place. For the chicken filling, you're going to dice up your onion and then add that to a pot. To that, you're going to add in your butter and oil. And then you just want to heat this until the onion goes a bit soft and the butter is fully melted, like this. Then you can add in your flour, and we are making a savory kind of white sauce for this. And once the flour is in, cook it for a few minutes. Then add in your spices, which is salt, white pepper and black pepper, and just cook that just for a minute. Once that's done, then you can start adding in your milk slowly and mix as you go. It will start to thicken up, and this way you won't get any lumps. Add in a little and mix. Once you've added in all your milk, then cook this for a few minutes until it thickens. It should look like this. If you do need more milk, you can definitely add it in. Then you can add in your chili and lemon juice blended, or you could use a chili block for this and then just mix this all together. Next, add in your shredded boiled chicken and mix that through. And once it's well mixed in, then you can garnish with some chopped coriander if you have, and that's it. That's the filling already. Once your dough has risen like this, it should become double in size. Next, you want to split your dough into 4 equal pieces and then roll it out into an oval shape. Make sure you flour the surface so that it doesn't stick. Once you've gotten your shape, then you want to cut equal pieces of your shape on either side of the dough and then add in your filling in the middle. And then you want to start braiding this and just pull one piece to the opposite side and then carry on with the opposite side as well, like this, and carry on until it reaches the end of the dough. Once they're all done, place them onto a baking tray that's sprayed with some non-stick cooking spray, and then you're going to brush your dough with some egg. Then sprinkle with some sesame seeds and some herbs if you like, and then bake this at 180 degrees Celsius for about 20 to 25 minutes or until golden brown. Once it's nicely golden, then you can take it out. And this is how it looks once it's baked. Brush it with some butter immediately it comes out of the oven, and that's it. Slice it up into pieces and enjoy. It's a really yummy, savory recipe, and it's easy to make. It's a perfect snack anytime. It's so soft and yummy. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a giant thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I post new videos every Sunday. I'll see you in my next video.